Hello and welcome to this EPS Inspires and Envision Evergreen update. I'm Craig Bernbach. Back in 2018, when plans for the Envision Evergreen Bond Initiative were being discussed, a new Mill Plain Elementary School just missed making the list. Well, thanks to proper project management and favorable financial conditions, there'll be additional funds available for additional projects. And one of those additional projects is a brand new building for Mill Plain Elementary School.
We were built in 1952, so we are the oldest school left in the district, and it's time.
Yes, it's time for a new Mill Plain Elementary School. As last month, the school board announced that there will be enough money left over from the 2018 Envision Evergreen Bond Initiative to replace the almost 70-year-old building.
Oh, it was so exciting. It's something that we had hoped for when the bond first passed. But due to some upgrades, we were not on the list for the new school at that time. So we were just ecstatic for our community and our kids.
The most excited staff member just might be Mill Plain's longest tenured staff member.
In the district since '79, and almost all of my years have been here at Mill Plain.
Yep, Jerry Kratz started at Mill Plain Elementary School 42 years ago.
I feel like I should own a brick in this building.
It's a building she loves. And it's a building that Miss Kratz believes has given all that she could to its community.
We have earned the right to be a new building, and this is so exciting for our community, for just bringing everybody together. It's the best thing that could have happened to a building that has really earned its place in the community.
And thanks to the community who supported the Envision Evergreen Bond Project, there's enough money for a new Mill Plain. Superintendent Mike Merlino says that due to good project management and favorable economic conditions, the district can build more.
For example, we have 6 new elementaries before Mill Plain. The bid that we had on our first elementary rebuild, which was Sifton, has been the highest bid project. Everyone since then has gone down in price. That, along with just overall management of the projects and interest rates that have continued to be low, has allowed us to squeeze some savings out on the project and then gave us the opportunity to look at some additional projects.
And the new Mill Plain will be built in the same spot as the current school, which is fine with staff members like Christy Straight, whose children attended Mill Plain.
A little bittersweet for sure, because they have a lot of good memories here and are really attached to it, but also excited.
Principal Dow has toured our new elementary schools, and she's excited for the upgrades a 70-year younger building provides.
The technology upgrades are amazing, and the shared spaces are more up to date for the needs of a modern building and a modern school communities.
And the community is what makes Mill Plain special. So be sure that while the staff can't wait for their new building to open in 2023, some things won't change at all.
Same school, same determination to do the best we can for our kids and do what we can for the community.
During construction, students from Mill Plain will attend the old Image Elementary School. The new building is scheduled to open in the fall of 2023. For a list of other added Envision Evergreen projects, please visit our website at evergreenps.org. For Evergreen Public Schools, I'm Craig Bernbach.